back to my channel. My name is Gia, coming at you with another Spookfest video. Today is Sam Manson from Danny Phantom, one of my childhood favorites, the original goth girl of my generation, if you will. So I'm really excited that I got to do this look today, and it really turned out so well. I hope you guys like it, and if you want to see how I achieved this goth girl glam for Sam, then go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, obviously, we're doing another Spookfest video, which I'm really excited about. Today's character is going to be Sam Manson from Danny Phantom. We're gonna go ahead and do a dramatic look today. I'm just gonna be fairly easy, something simple, but I did want to go ahead and pay tribute to one of my favorite characters of all time. I'm really excited to be doing this. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. So I already primed my eyelids and did my eyebrows off camera, and I didn't really think about how I wanted to do her eye look, I guess you could say. I do know I want to obviously dive into the purples, but I wasn't sure what look we were going for. It definitely has to be smoky because she's obviously the iconic goth girl from Danny Phantom. So I'm gonna hop in with my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I'm gonna go in with the Root Canal shade right here on the end. You can use any purple shadow, honestly. This is just going to be my transition shade. It's quite bright, but it's going to all make sense in a little. So I'm just going in with my Urban Decay fluffy brush from my Naked palette, which I don't own anymore. And I'm just kind of packing that shade in the crease area. And I'm going to give it a faux wing as well. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just kind of circle it out. Make sure you work with a purple that you know isn't going to be patchy, because purples are really tricky, especially. If you guys don't know, I actually hate purple and green eyeshadows. They're actually not my favorite. I don't know what the deal is. I just think they look real weird on my skin. I feel like I talked about that in a video that I had up a couple months ago. I was like, I really can't stand purple eyeshadow. Like, it just is not my favorite. But I always do purple looks because I'm like, I think I'm gonna start liking them, and then I never do. I'm just pretty much blending this until I feel like I'm like ready to move on. Because like purple, like I said, difficult shade to work with. You want to make sure that you are 100% good to go. Once you've committed, like, that's it. That's all you need. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the JH33 brush from the Jaclyn Hill collection. And I'm going to go in with this wine shade color right here called Extraction. And it's kind of like a purpley red, if you will. And I'm just going to kind of go underneath the crease line with that shade. And I'm going to go kind of like under the crease line all the way to the front of the eye. And I'm just kind of stamping the product on. So I'm going back in. Stamp it, stamp it, stamp it, stamp it all the way to the front of the eye. And then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm just kind of keeping that just below the crease line.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
It's actually a really pretty shade. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like very deep red, but it looks kind of like a mix between a red and a purple, so it's definitely like a grape red. Does that make sense? I've never actually used this shade before, so I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the purple just to make sure that we don't lose the color. Okay, it's gonna look kind of scary right now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop in with the shade Coma. And I'm gonna go on the outer V only of my eye, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it down. hop into the other eye. And I'm just kind of stamping on the product and then blending it out. I feel like with purples, that's the best technique you could probably use. And this is just going to deepen up that goth girl purple Sam look that we want to achieve.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on and on.
Okay, next I'm going in with my Morphe Boss Babe palette in the purple shade right here at the bottom, this one right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just use my finger as per usual, and I'm just going to kind of put it on the eyelid itself. I'm really not flipping you guys off, I just want to let everyone know. This is just my favorite finger to do shimmer with. I don't know why. Alright guys, I'm just going to run in with a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. And because Sam has that goth girl look, I kind of want to accentuate the wing of the eye as much as I can. So, TMI, but I started my period today. And it's just been not so fun at all. Like in any way, shape, or form. Being a girl is so fun. Anyway, I'm gonna hop in with my regular foundation by Urban Decay. And I'm just gonna do the normal thing. I haven't really got any plans for Halloween this year. Which last year I had such a good time. I got invited to a couple Halloween shindigs, if you will, that were like super lit. And it's been kind of a crazy year, so I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. I swear to God, I have been so crazy busy the past week. It's just been insane. I don't even... Like, I literally woke up today and I was like, I've got to film, like, ready to go, because I was so excited about this. And it's kind of stressing me out a little bit, but in a good way. Kind of like, I'm really excited to see what else I get up to, if you know what I mean. So it's kind of been just really fun. In a weird sense, stressful, but definitely fun. I know that this is more of a basic eye look, like day to day, but I'm just trying to be the character, not necessarily make it difficult. Like, you could literally be anybody for Halloween, and the nice thing is that cosplay really allows you to be like that. Oh wow, like you're her, like that's crazy. I would never have thought of that. Alright guys, I'm gonna head in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna bake under the eyes, on my nose, my forehead, on the sides of my nose, smile lines, chin area, you know, just looking ghostly. I'm just gonna sharpen up my cheekbones just a little today. Sweet, so I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner just to make my wing. I really like this liner because it allows you to kind of have a good outline before you jump in with like your regular favorite liners. And I'm really going in today. Like, I'm making this wing like super dramatic. And like I said, I'm just doing the outline, so I'm gonna hop back in with my new favorite liner, which is super black. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brand new liquid liner. And I'm just gonna pretty much fill the space and go over the liner. I'm telling y'all, I was looking for a matte liner, and this just happened to be on the shelf and I was thinking in the car a couple days before I bought this liner, and I was like, I just wish that Anastasia Beverly Hills would make a liner, because I feel like Norvina would like kill it, you know what I mean? And I didn't even know they were releasing on the eyeliner, and then I, lo and behold, walk into Ulta, and I'm pleasantly surprised by the fact that Norvina has answered my prayers for a matte black liner. Alright, I'm gonna pretty much wait for my eyeliner to dry, but I'm gonna run in with a fluffy brush and just kind of wipe my bake.
How will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying?
Now obviously we have to go in on the bottom lash line, so I'm gonna go in with Root Canal from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke Root Canal on the bottom bag of my eye. I honestly wasn't gonna do a wig, but then I realized I'm blonde right now and I can't be Sam Manson because I decided to be a blonde. So that's where I'm at right now in life. I'm gonna then hop into Extraction just on that same brush, and I'm just gonna smoke Extraction just closest to my lash line. I don't want it to exceed that. I just want it to be very like further up. For my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with Candy Floss from the Blood Sugar palette. I'm just gonna put that on the inner corner of my eyeball with my pinky finger. I'm just gonna use my Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced, which needs to get thrown out, but I'm so attached to it that I just can't bring myself to do it. I'm gonna hop in with my Tarte blush, and I'm just gonna use the lightest shade, really. Just using something comparable to the contour shade. And then I'm just gonna pop it on the tip of my nose like I always do. This is a very like natural flush of color. It's like so nice too, because you can really build it up rather than just having it be like, wow, you've got some pink cheekbones. Okay, auntie. Alright, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara for this lovely excursion. I like really love this mascara more than anything, I think. I will not switch it, and I've heard the Milk makeup one is better, but like how could you do a thing like that? You know what I mean? I just got mascara on the inside of my eyeball. Great, love that. So I'm kind of contemplating between, do I want to do my Rogue & Rouge lashes in Slayer, or do I want to do them in Luminara? I just got these in the mail, so I'm really excited about it a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of pinch this off really quick and see which one I like better before I start gluing things down, you know what I mean?
How will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying.
Oh, it's a tough one. Oh, it's a tough one. I think I like the Luminara better, honestly, just for this look, but Slayer is everything. Oh my god. And I have had these for like forever and never even bothered to wear them. Who am I? I don't know. I'm just gonna trim just like a snip, like just a snip. Because I have a really long lash line, but a lot of the times I overestimate the lash and then I'm miserable after, so I'm just snipping like the very ends. Because I can get cut happy, and that's a really scary look for me. Alright guys, while I wait for the glue to dry, I'm going to hop in with the Brain Freeze highlighter palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm going to go in with Gold Breaker. I'm going to get some on my sponge, and then I'm going to do like one spray, two sprays of setting spray, and I'm just going to go in and highlight my cheekbones. It's such a pretty gold, honestly. And a little goes like such a long way. Like if you're not careful, you could do way overboard. And then I'm gonna go in on my bridge of my nose. You see what I mean? Like what I like dipped in once. And then I'm just gonna go in on the tip of my nose. I just kind of do like a small little U shape or a V shape because I feel like it really lifts my nose up a little. So I just kind of like do like a this motion when I'm highlighting my nose. My lashes are still wet. I always run into the problem where I just stick them on and hope for the best, which will probably be this situation. Actually, while I'm waiting for these bitches to dry, I'm gonna go into the lip mask because I forgot I'm doing a lip. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick on my lashes. My lashes. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes off camera. I am going to throw on a wig and some contacts while I'm at it, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is almost the completed look. I just want to pop on a lip. I've had this little Kat Von D sampler with this dark shade in for like a hot minute, and I haven't had a chance to try it out yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead with my finger. And I'm going to start darkening up my lips with that shade. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Every look I do is just like every single one I do I just love more than the other. I just kind of threw up the hair in a scrunchie and just like made it messy. So I couldn't find a green scrunchie, but I did find this like plaid one, which is kind of like her skirt, if you will. But I had so much fun recreating Sam. It's kind of like your childhood, you know what I mean? I think it came out really well, so I'm excited. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on all my social media down below. And if you're excited about all the rest of the Spookfest videos, there is a playlist in the description box down below. You guys can go ahead and watch all of the rest of the Spookfest videos for the spooky season. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you watched it, like, means the world to me. You have no idea. This came out so good. I'm so excited about it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Have a great rest of your day, night, or wherever in the world that you're watching this. As always, I'm Gia. Bye.